Hello guys, it's Prajwal here. In this video, I'll show you how you can install MIUI 10 for LeMax 2, le2 or le Pro 3. Now we need to wipe everything except internal storage and OTG. Now flash the file by selecting the file wherever you have placed it in. It usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. It will automatically reboot and shows up the logo like this, MIUI 10. So coming to the review part. Guys, I have been using this ROM since from around 2 to 3 days. And I must say this is very smooth, buttery smooth actually. And the battery backup is also very nice. If we compare this battery backup with Oreo ROMs, in Oreo ROM I usually get around 4 hours of screen on time, but in this I am getting 5 hours of screen on time, which is actually very great considering that my LeMax 2 is around 1.5 years old. Another highlight of this MIUI 10 is that we'll get two cameras, that is EUI 30's camera as well as MIUI camera. Both of them are very good. As you can see, I've opened the camera. This is the notification bar. It has got Dolby Plus and Viper for Android pre-built in it, and you will also get LeTv remote. I have seen many Oreo ROMs. In Oreo ROMs, if the battery is good, then the performance will be less, and if the performance is more, then the battery would be less. Install this MIUI 10, you'll get both battery as well as performance, both in a balanced mode. The Wi-Fi is also working well, Bluetooth is also working well, and even the portable hotspot is also working well. There is no issues whatsoever. We get lots of customization in this ROM, lots and lots of customization, I must say. We get even the option to fast charge, and we also have this great feature called full screen display, where we get iPhone 10 like gestures, that is swiping up. We'll get recent menu, or we can go to home and swiping left goes back, and etc. It has also got a second space, which is as seen in MIUI 9 ROMs. For example, in Redmi Note 4 we have seen the same, and most of the Redmi users would be very familiar with this. You can set up a Mi account if you have. So yeah, that's it for this video. It's Prajwal signing off. Thank you.